Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing 4 methods for making money when you have limited to no budget. To start with, these methods are based on the creator's personal experiences over the past decade. Let's dive into each method. 1. Skill monetization. This method involves learning a skill that's in demand and offering your services for a fee. The creator started by learning video editing and videography, eventually turning it into a source of income. It emphasizes that anyone can monetize their skills, whether it's video editing, car detailing, or any other skill. Highlights the importance of hands-on learning and practical experience. 2. Reselling. Reselling involves finding undervalued items online or at local thrift stores, then flipping them for a profit. Suggest that even starting with something you already own can provide a budget for reselling. The creator showcases how to find profitable items on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, which encourages viewers to research and identify items with resale potential. 3. Becoming a content creator. This method involves creating content on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Emphasizes that you don't need expensive equipment to start. A smartphone can work. Discusses different ways content creators can earn income, including ad revenue, brand deals, and sponsorships. Acknowledges that building a successful channel takes dedication, learning, and persistence. 4. Selling digital products, e.g. online courses. The creator introduces digital product creation, particularly online courses, as a highly profitable venture. Highlights the potential of the digital education industry, which is expected to grow significantly. Encourages viewers to identify their unique skills and create valuable content around them. Shares the creator's personal success in generating income through a digital product. These methods require effort and dedication, but can yield substantial rewards. The video provides practical insights and actionable advice for individuals looking to start earning money, even with limited initial funds. It promotes the idea that anyone can take steps toward financial independence by leveraging their skills and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.